This RC Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kirsten McAndrew. Just listed vertical bar new updates vertical bar ground floor. Spacious split floor plan. Raised kitchen ceiling. Stainless appliances. Newer air conditioner and water heater. Beautiful 18 tile. Walk-in closets. Offered fully furnished. Rental or move-in ready. Scenic view to pond with fountain and golf course from living room and master bedroom. Covered patio and just steps to the private villa pool. Golf club membership, gym, tennis, pickleball and kids club all included in the HOA dues. Incredible tropical amenities. Heated and golf front pools, hot tubs, sun decks. Restaurant, market, pizza, poolside bar. Walkable to retail center, restaurants, bowling, arcade, skating, sports bar, entertainment venues. For more information, review the details below or contact Kirsten McAndrew at 850-249-6100.